Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today's Tuesday. This week is already kind of messy because I think I have a cold, I think I have a UTI, and I know my wisdom teeth are coming through at like 25 almost. Come on. So I have to make a dentist appointment. But you know, we're having a little triple threat moment right now. Yeah. Ow. Anyway, so I'm starting the vlog on Tuesday, and today I wanted to wrap fake presents to put under my tree because I feel like it's very bare, and I bought really pretty wrapping paper and some stuff to make a very nice display. It's not even December, so there are no presents really that are gonna be under my tree yet. But I wanna have staged ones, little fake pretty ones. And I've also been wanting to do okay, shut up. And I also bought a ton of oranges because I wanna do the little DIY orange garland and then also dried orange slices to put on the presents. So that's kind of what I want to do today. I'm also gonna hang up my wreath that I got. You can't see it. Why am I pointing to my fridge? But I got a wreath and I want to hang it. Also, a lot of schoolwork today, shooting some reels today, and then I have a yoga class tonight. So that's pretty much what's going on. I have my oranges. I need a bigger cutting board. Mine is so mini. My bigger cutting board that I had from IKEA for years broke on me because I didn't know that wood doesn't like water. I know, not my smartest moment, but didn't know that wood didn't like water, and bitch split in half. After all these years, so much water on her, she was like, I'm done. Got a new one, didn't realize how tiny it is, so I'm gonna get a new one. Anyway, I don't know how many oranges, you're ugly, you're gonna stay over there. I kind of wanted to make a reel of making this garland. I know it's gonna take me like, shut up. I know it's gonna take about like 9 years to make this. Why is there so much of this stuff? Okay, I scoured Pinterest for recipes or instructions on how to do this, and you would not believe how many people just show you that they did it, write an entire blog post that they did it, but don't tell you how. Like, I feel like I should file a lawsuit against these people for wasting my time. But I did find one person who actually had a post with instructions. Basically, you cook them in the oven for about 3 hours, tossing and turning them, and then I have to let them dry for like a day. My level of patience versus my level of wanting things to be pretty, the wanting things to be pretty outweighs the patience, so I will wait basically like a day and a half for these to be done. Also, get a knife sharpener. It was the best thing that my mom ever got me that I didn't know I needed. This one's from Amazon. I think it's on my Amazon storefront, probably. Also, side note, sidebar, side whatever, I really need to start the decluttering process of my apartment now. I can't do all of it in January. Like, I'm going to get overwhelmed and then have a little mentee breakdown, and I don't really want to do that. I'm thinking we start the decluttering process now and kind of organizing my apartment throughout December so I don't have a panic attack. Oranges are just so effing pretty. It's sick. Get these out of my way. Actually, I'm probably super biased because my favorite color is orange. That's also why I like lemons, because my favorite color is yellow, orange, brown. Oh, wait a minute, everybody please hold. I'm supposed to also make a reel. Okay, I can't see this though. So like this is, ew, you could see my jeans. I'm sick. All right, did you even, bitch, go. I hope this is actually getting it. That better have been perfect. If that wasn't perfect, I'll die. I'm such a perfectionist. It's sick. I don't like this. Like, how do people make reels and are okay with themselves? Because I can't. Oh, okay. Also, this is a new little tripod that I got. You know I have the bendy one, but if you need a little phone tripod, I'll link this below, along with my bendy one, which I never link, but in case anybody wants the bendy tripod, great for Instagram content. So, is that good? Probably not. Oh, good. No, that's not good. My hands are sticky! I hate my hands. Like, how do you hold an orange pretty? My hands are just not that bitch. I can never be a hand model. Please be good. Okay, so this is the wrapping paper that I got. I will link it below. It's from Amazon. I wanted to do cinnamon sticks with dried orange slices and then twine. I've been saving up PR boxes, so I'm just gonna wrap the boxes with the wrapping paper now. I'm gonna do the cinnamon sticks and the dried orange slices with the twine once the orange slices are dried because it just makes sense to wait until then. But for now, I'm just gonna wrap little fake boxes of fake presents. I woke up so much sicker than I was yesterday. Yesterday it was just a little appetizer, a little appetizer. Today I feel so sick. It would be so cool if you could drink from a water bottle. Like if dogs could use their paws, just put down a Hydro Flask, you know? The show must go on. I really so badly just want to be in bed, play Call of Duty, watch Gossip Girl, and be sick like a man where they like act like they're dying. I want to do that so bad, but I can't because I know that when I have to get my wisdom teeth out soon, I'm gonna be down for the count for a couple of days. So I really need to put in the work, and it's almost finals week, but at least I'm being nice to myself. Well, we're not working out this week. I can't. Maybe I'll stretch, do some yoga later tonight. Okay, so the oranges are dry and I made 3 trays of these hoes. Look, I'm craving a juice this morning. Bump up the vitamin C. I have zinc to take. First, let's just make some tea. I should call the dentist today. Yeah, I'm gonna call the dentist today. It's on the to-do list. So, you know what's really funny is I've been putting off getting my wisdom teeth out because I didn't think it was wisdom teeth because I was always having a pain in this side of my molar, and I was just like, I don't see a tooth. So like, but then this recent round of pain, I see 2 little teeth things. And then, you know, and then I touched it and I was like, oh, that's a tooth. If you got your wisdom tooth out, please tell me how that went. The heaven lighting is gone, so now let's make some tea and a juice. My juice. Dare I say this is the best juice that I've ever made. I like the green juice. It's okay. It's all right, but it's not like I need to drink it. Like I don't fiend for it. This, so good. I made a reel of it today. So look at me multitasking. It's just oranges, carrots, ginger, and apple. That's all that's in it, vibes, and it is the best juice I've ever had. Maybe because it's sweet. That's probably what it is, because the orange and the apple make it super sweet. I'm holding it really recklessly and it might drop. This would have been really cute to make in the fall. Well, it is the fall, but you know what I mean, like the Halloween era. This would have matched the Halloween era. And ugh. I uploaded my video and did some emails on my computer before I made the juice. So now let's wrap the little prezzies because the oranges are dried and ready to go. Oh, I gotta call the dentist. Let me call the dentist before. So I just called and made a dentist appointment. They could see me today at 3. So I'm gonna go get x-rays and all of that. So I have until 3, it's 10:30. I am going to do my little garland right now and then wrap the presents, and then we need to do some schoolwork. Couldn't get it on my mirror. I think I need to use command hooks or something, but I don't have the patience right now because there are other important things. So I just put it here for now and I moved to Siena. But you know what? It's just a bunch of nice, pretty colors, okay? It's a chaotic mess. Also, I still have enough left to make maybe like 1 more garland, and then I'm gonna use the rest for the Christmas packages. So let's do the packages. feel like every time I come here to talk with the coat on, it's always a little story. Basically, just got back from my dentist appointment. All I did before then was schoolwork, so nothing to write home about. But I went to the dentist, and I didn't realize I hadn't been to the dentist in so long. I genuinely don't remember the last time I went to the dentist, which is sad. But it's like, also, why isn't dental insurance included in insurance? Like, why is it a separate thing? I could talk about this for days. I'm just pissed. So anyway, I go to the dentist, we do x-rays, we do a full exam, and she's like, yeah, these hoes are impacted. All 4 of them are impacted, all my wisdom teeth impacted. So she referred me to a surgeon, and I have to do a nice little general anesthesia and get all 4 of these hoes out. So also, fun fact of the day that I learned, carbs, like eating breads and pastas and stuff, that can cause acid that breaks down the enamel in your teeth. And so I have mini cavities that I need to get a sealant on. So it's like a preventative because like they're coming, they're almost there, but they're just not there yet. So they break down your teeth, and I have little baby cracks in a couple of my teeth, so I have to get a sealant on them. And then she went on to talk about how my teeth aren't really perfectly straightened and they are overcrowded at the bottom, scalloped on some teeth, and she's like, you should really like maybe try to align them. So I went straight to my car, had a little mentee bee, and started crying and called my mom because it just felt like there was just too much negative information at once. It was just too much negative information at once. So I had a little mentee bee, but now I have to go call the surgeon to go get that done and plan that. My teeth are in so much pain, and all I want is carbs and like some pasta, but now I'm scared to eat pasta because I don't want to fuck up my teeth. Moral of the story, floss and like brush after every meal. Like every meal. I was a twice a day girly, but like, I am brushing after every motherfucking meal now. That is so sad. I had to look at a 3D model of all my teeth, and I was like, this is, to the perfectionist, this is horrible. This is horrid. And she's like, yeah, I wanted to recommend like everything that we recommend that you do, like to like get your teeth like all perfect. Total is like up there. And she's like, do you want to go ahead with that? And I'm like, who goes to the dentist, drops bands without even batting an eyelash? Like, give me a second to think, girl. I mean, I don't have to think. I know I'm not fucking dropping bands right now. So how is it in other people's countries? Like, what's your healthcare like? Because, like, love that for you. I also feel like I should keep some things private and maybe, like, shut up about some things. But it's like, where's the line? Like, what do I not talk about? Like, I talk about everything. You think I'm gonna get my wisdom teeth out and not talk about it? Like, I talked about getting new prescription glasses. Like, girl, I talk about everything. I don't even know how to filter myself. So, like, do you care about my wisdom teeth issues? Probably not. Am I gonna still talk about it? Obviously. Anyway, also still feeling sick. Also still have a UTI. This vlog is really just chaos. A mix between chaos and Christmas. Ooh, I like that. And Atticus is eating the ass of his little stuffed animal. Why the ass, though? All I did was come home, set the camera down, and start talking. And now I don't remember what I had to do when I got home. I am absolutely baffled as to what, oh, the presents. Okay, I'm back in my pajamas. Ugh, I wish the bang only just banged that much. Anyway, I have to wrap a couple more of the prop presents to fill out the tree, but I put my pajamas on again. I'm gonna make hot chocolate, and I put on Don't Worry Darling again. I watched it at my friend's house the other night, and we were both like, what did we just watch? I don't know what it is about that movie. It's so, okay, as a thriller, it's not like sensational, but as a vibe, flawless. Also, I am in love with Florence Pugh, and that's what I wish I looked like. That's like who I wanna be. And then to have Harry Styles as your beautiful husband, like, it was a good movie. If Harry Styles took me away from working, put me in a simulation to just be his beautiful housewife wearing pretty dresses and being a housewife all day, like, you don't think I would snatch that offer up? So I put it on again to wrap presents, and oh, my nose, I hate being sick. And then also I'm gonna just have it on while I do my schoolwork for the rest of the night, but that's just the update. Before I show you what the presents look like, let's finish wrapping them. You good? The camera gives the lighting astigmatism. Like, girl, we don't all need eye problems that I have. The presents are now wrapped. I did a pretty cute job, if I do say so myself. I went with black ribbon on some of them and then twine on some of them. And then I put the dried oranges with cinnamon sticks and rosemary on all of them. And using a hot glue gun was the best idea. I didn't even know I had one of these. I don't know how I would have done it without the glue gun. And then when I wrap a real presents, I will use this wrapping paper and all of these little decor items. I think it looks so cute together. I don't understand why the camera does that, but I think it all just matches and looks so good. It is my best tree I've ever had. I don't know, enough with the Darth Vader look on the tree. Copyrighted for this. I'm just really proud of this one today, babe. It's so hard editing reels on your phone. It took me so long. Not fun for me. I hate editing on my phone. But then I realized, girly, just edit on your computer. Just change the formatting. I know Final Cut Pro like the back of my hand, and I use it on my desktop to edit videos. So I thought, let's use the laptop for reels, and look at it. It's just like so much better. It's so much better. I just posted one, and I deleted it off here, but it's a juice recipe. Let's look at it on my page really quickly. I don't know if the music is gonna be copyrighted. That's my Instagram. See, I don't like it anymore, but like, look, wait. That's giraffes. Okay, but look, it's getting prettier. It's getting prettier. Anyway, this is what I've been doing. I've just been doing stuff on my computer, but also watching Gossip Girl, Go Piss Girl. And I think I'm gonna do some schoolwork now because I have a lot of schoolwork to get done. Stop it. Hello, it's editing me. I have the hearts because my hair has a hair mask in it and it's greasy and ugly. Don't look at it, look at the hearts. Anyway, it's editing me and you're wondering, why are you in your living room? I moved my entire ass desktop computer into my living room because I didn't want to edit in my office. Like, I just needed a change of the vibes. So you're sitting on my coffee table. My huge ass desktop is on my coffee table right now. That is besides the point. But this video, I realized I didn't have any form of an outro because I just stopped filming that day. The video just abruptly stopped after I was editing reels because I just did schoolwork, and then I just got more sick as the day progressed, and then my doctor had emailed me saying, hey, confirmed you have a UTI. So I picked up antibiotics and I was just not feeling well for the rest of the day. And today is Friday and I just woke up feeling not great, babes. I obviously don't look great, so like you can see that, but I've just been editing the entire day and that is all I'm going to do today. And I am not going out tonight because she's a sick girl. So this is really just it for this vlog, okay? This is the first one. The vibes are here. Next vlog, more Christmassy vibes. Next week, hopefully I'm not sick at all. And I also have a lot of fun things, stop it, fun things outside of the house next week. We're leaving the house next week, so let's also hope that I am not sick anymore. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry it ended abruptly, and yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.